Hello, how are you today? We learn lesson 2 inches chapter 1. We will get to know it on constants and variables. What is the meaning of constants? They are places reserved in RAM that have data types. On declaring them, name and data types are determined for them. They take a fixed value and do not change during the progress of the program, such as some mathematical constants like comma or some of the constants in physics like gravity or acceleration, the speed of light and the speed of sound, etc. The variables are reserved places in computer memory, RAM, declared and determined by its name and type, data type, and its value usually changes during the running of the program, and the variable can take initial value, then value changes during the running of the program, such as price of product, the value of the tax, the address of employee, etc. All these data can be changed. Naming rules of constants and variables. On naming constants and variables, preferably name expressing its purpose so that variable names must begin with a letter or underscore. Variable names should not contain symbols or special characters, for example, plus, etc. Do not use reserved words, Visual Basic.NET language keywords, such as single, dim, as. It also must be the choice of the appropriate type of each of the constants and variables, which had been clarified in data types to commensurate with the nature of the data to be stored. Declaring constants. Use the const in the declaration of the constants in the language of the VB.NET, as illustrated in the following syntax: const, constant name, as, data type equals value, const, declaration command about constants, constant underscore name, the name of the constant, data type, the type of data stored in the constant, value, the constant value that's stored in the declared constant. For example, const c underscore name s string equals the Egyptian Arabic Republic. Meaning of code: the constant, c underscore name, was declared, of data type, string, and its text value is assigned during the declaration. Variables declaration. We use the command dim to declare a variable in VB.NET language, as shown in the following syntax: dim variable underscore name as data type equals initial value, where dim is the declaration of variables. Variable name is a variable name. Data type is the data type to be stored in the variable. Initial value is the initial value that is stored in the declared variable, and this part is optional. For example, dim underscore name as string. Code means the declaration of a variable name as f underscore name. In memory, its type is string. Example S for wrong name of the constant and variables. The name is Toon World War. The reason: the name should not begin with a letter. The name is spent money. The reason is: the name should not contain